Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Flyte from Dandy's World. So first we're going to get started with the shape of the head. So right in the center here, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that over and in towards the middle. And then we're going to start back on the top on the right, just replicating that, bringing that around, tapering that in as we come in towards the bottom and blending that in together. Now let's draw in our eyes. So we're going to draw in a sideways oval. So over on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in our oval on a diagonal. And then we're going to line this up at the same height on the right-hand side and just drawing that at the same size. Now in the corner of both eyes, starting on the top, we're just going to draw in another oval, bringing that in on the bottom. And then we'll do the same on the opposite eye. We're just going to draw in one eyebrow now on the top right. So we're going to curve this line out, around, and then back in the corner. Let's draw the antennas up above. So we're going to start on the right side, and we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then we're going to flip over on the left and replicate that. Now moving over towards the inside, we're going to replicate that, bringing this line around and then in. Now underneath this, we're going to arch this line up, connecting that towards both lines, bringing that down. On the sides, let's replicate that, bringing that around, back in. And then again on the bottom, just arching this line around and then up. Now coming down for the collar on the left-hand side, curving this line out, in, and then down towards the center. And let's do the same on the right, connecting that in the middle. On both sides now, we're going to arch this line in and then out on the side. And then from that corner, just curving this line back up and in towards the middle, connecting those lines together. Now for the legs on both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down toward the bottom. And then for the feet, just curving this line back around and then down. And then from that corner, just bringing this line straight up towards the top. Now we're going to draw in the wings. So on the top, we're going to curve this line over and out. From here, we're going to curve this line in, back out, and then in towards the middle. Now, starting from that line, we're going to curve this line around, in, back out. And then from that corner, just curving this line up towards the side. Now on the top corner of both, we're going to start by drawing in a curved line, bringing that down on a diagonal on both sides. We'll do the same on the sides again, bringing this line in towards the middle. And then again on the bottom. Now let's replicate that as we move around. So we're just going to follow this shape as we come all the way around. And then we'll do the same on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw Flyte from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.